Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. I'm looking a bit of a hot mess right now because I have been running around doing errands and stuff all day, so don't mind me. Okay, today I am doing a new subscription box to my channel. I'm very excited about it. As you saw by the title, it is the single swag box, and of course this is a subscription box, and I love unboxing subscription boxes on my channel. No, I am not single, but I wanted to get this box and test it out for you guys to see if it is just meant for single people, or if you're in a relationship. I wanted to see if this box can be for you as well. Okay, so I do admit I tried to record this box previous. I'll show you guys a little clip of that right now. Is this right here. See, I'm not watching, and he just opened my lotion bottle. Got lotion everywhere. Nothing else you can open, right? As you can see though, it was kind of a hot mess. Hunter was not having a good day that day, and I'm like, you know what? This is not the day to film, so I'm filming it a few days later. So let's see what's in this box. So if you guys did not know, Single Swag Box is a subscription box, like I said, and it has like a variety of different kind of things in it. And I love the fact that it says hashtag love yourself. So this box is just like meant to like treat yourself. The full size is $39.99, and there's a mini size that is $24.99. I did get the full size, but I got it 40% off with the coupon code summer. I'm pretty sure that might still be available. Definitely check that out. I think I typed it in Google to see. So yeah, let's open this puppy up. And kind of all over the place, like I said, because I did previously open it. So I do want to show you guys, this is the first thing that I got right here, and I really ripped this. I really did not do a good job. Oh, here's the top at showing this, but this is Mr. Brownie, and it's a rich, moist, fudgy chocolate brownie, and it comes with 2 in it, and it's already gone, as you can see, because your mama PMSing and I needed myself a treat. I needed some chocolate. So this right here is Mr. Brownie chocolate brownie. Indulge these delectable chocolate brownies made with real Belgian chocolate, and these are $4, which amazing, so good. Would definitely purchase those. They're delicious. All right, next up is this right here, and it says get 'em on the box, and this is just like the cutest little box. And inside, when I opened this, if you saw my if you would have saw my reaction, you'd have seen that I just think this is absolutely beautiful, and it's not something I have in my collection, and it is something I will totally wear because I love how light and airy this is. Light and airy necklace, but you know, you get what I mean. So this is originally $75. It symbolizes feminine strength and freedom, which is what the triangle symbolizes, and that is just awesome, and I love it. And I do apologize that it's like super bright right now, but right now it's like almost 7 o'clock, and I have to use my studio lights because it's going to be getting dark out pretty soon. Alright, next up are these, which I am actually very excited about. These right here are the Pop Band, if I could read, hair tie bracelet set. Kind on the hair, cute on the wrist. Pop brands are soft, stretchy hair ties that hold tight and leave it fresh and kink free. You're not using them in your hair, wear them on your wrist for a super cute. That's cute. I didn't even think about wearing them on the wrist. I like that. These are actually like really cute though to wear on the wrist in case you do need like a ponytail, you know? So I feel like this is for sure something that and I think you can tighten a little bit. Actually, you probably can't. But Anyway, super cute. Very excited about these. As you guys can see, I wear my hair up pretty often, so any way that I can find a way to spice my hair up a little bit, I'm happy about. Next up is this bag right here, and this is a Molly Jacob Beach Chick pouch, $28. It just says use code July swag for 50% off any order from Molly Jacob. So super cute. Then I got these right here, which I am very excited about. This is the, drop it. Oh my goodness, box. You're giving me a hard time. So these are them right here. And this is the Skin Serum Glam In Paradise Mask Set, $18. Show off your wild side. So look how cute this is. This has some like a leopard or cheetah print. And then this one is an under eye mask. And then this one right here is a lip one, which you know that your mama loves herself some face mask, and I need a pamper day for sure because it's been a very long week. So next up is this right here. This is Babe Lash Essential Serum. And I have, in my previous video, I did not open this, so I'm very curious about what this is. So that's what it looks like. This is get lush, healthier looking lashes while promoting the appearance of longer, thicker lashes with this transformative, award-winning formula and a favorite to the Single Swag team. This serum is also effective on brows and with lash extensions. Now I'm going to open this up real quick because I'm curious if this is just like one of those like liner things or if it's actually like a brush, because I've had one of those little like liner serums before, and personally it's burned my eyelids. So opening this puppy up, I'm hoping that this is like a wand. No, it's like a little brush. So yeah, this is cool, but like maybe I will use it on, see, my brows, like the only place I want my brows to be filled in more are the outside, and I know they're not going to grow over there. So this is pretty cool, but it's definitely something that I will probably be giving away. And then last but not least is this right here, and this is, this is the, hoping y'all can see that, the Nobe Equilibria Face Mist Toner. It's a mist, yes. Oh, heck yes. I didn't know it was a mist. It kind of smells like all natural. I'm excited. Let's see what this says to do. This gentle, refreshing lotion containing aloe vera, chamomile extract, and other natural ingredients will provide a feeling of freshness and purifying throughout the day while cleansing and moisturizing. Suitable for use on the face, eye contour, and neck. Okay, I am so excited about this. I am going to be using this for sure. Remove toner and introduce with a cotton swab or leave on for a refreshing. I'm going to be using this like during the day, during the morning time, nighttime, right after I'm done taking my makeup off and stuff. That is freaking awesome. And this retails for $24, which is crazy to me because this is like super, super hefty. I'm not sure if you guys can see how hefty that is. Okay, so I definitely think this box is worth the $40. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Should I unbox this box again for you guys? Because now I'm actually really curious what's in all the other boxes. I think I'm going to go watch previous videos. So yeah, that is the Single Swag box. I definitely don't think that you need to be You don't have to be single in order to get this box. You can be married, you can be in a relationship, you know. This box is really just to treat yourself, so you don't need to be single. So, glad I answered that question. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hit that like button, it does help me out. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.